To set up geofencing for Xfinity, start by upgrading to a modem security system that supports advanced location configuration. Install the Xfinity Home Security System app on your device and set up a remote control to lock in. Unlock the system. Be sure to allow notifications, especially for system triggers and camera sensors. Integrate the security system with other smart Wi-Fi devices to enable remote control. Next, set up geofences using your mobile device and configure the system's GPS to send alerts when you're away or nearby. Enable automatic arm and disarm to ensure the system is locked down even when you forget. To do this, open the Xfinity Home app, tap More on the lower right of the screen, and follow the instructions. The app allows you to choose between stay mode, away mode, and night mode, depending on your circumstances. You can also set geofences for other family members, allowing for a customized and convenient security setup. By following these steps, you can easily geofence your Xfinity system and enjoy enhanced security and peace of mind.